Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad boy.
I'm so hungry I can eat me a damn dog.
What's up, boy? He made me scared. I ain't gonna lie. He made me nervous.
Stop, you dumb hoe. I'm so sorry. I take it back. I'm not sorry at all.